So Atlantic Park is an industrial and logistics development in Bootle in Liverpool. It's comprised of 7 units, making up around 800,000 square feet.
We've owned the site since the early 2000s. The previous occupier of the site, of course, was Rolls-Royce. They vacated in 2007. We originally went forward with a master plan that was conceived on the back of a mixed-use commercial scheme, offices with some industrial and distribution. Office development, I think, in that location was not driving sufficient returns. So the obvious pivot was to focus exclusively on industrial and distribution development. So we replanned the master plan into 2 phases, totaling just under 800,000 square feet of modern logistics warehousing. The journey so far has been quite exciting. Hilson Moran have been helping us design a way to future-proof the below-ground infrastructure for distribution of power, designing a network that will allow us to retrofit bigger cables, but also helping us to plot our way through the complicated process of securing the power for the network.
From an energy and sustainability perspective, we're involved again from the outset, and that was looking at the Royal London Sustainability Tracker, and our team delivered the energy modelling that was required to support BREEAM, but also the whole life carbon work that was required to understand those embodied carbon targets and make sure we delivered to meet those criteria set by Royal London.
Biodiversity is obviously a big issue. They produced a challenge, and that challenge really was to work with Hilson Moran to maximise the score that we would achieve for provision of on-site biodiversity. So we were looking at every possible way in which we could maximise that score. We are on track to achieve our carbon saving target, an EPCA. So this development will be used as a case study for what we can achieve when in the sustainability space for new development.
So phase 1 is complete. Those units are with the letting agents looking for tenants. Phase 2, which incorporates the final 3 units, is only currently on site under construction and is due to be completed in the next 12 months. Hilson Moran, again, are supporting Royal London as part of the client team, supporting from an MEP, acoustics and environmental consultancy perspective on the development of those sheds over the next 12 months.
The opportunity for Liverpool is jobs, and industrial distribution on this scale will produce a good many jobs, and there's obviously spin-off jobs as well from these local companies. So it's a big win for the local the economy.